Welcome back to a new episode here with Flavor Addiction. Rich in proteins and fibers, beans are one of the most popular ingredients in our kitchen nowadays. Patience is the main secret for cooking them properly. Best results are achieved if they are cooked at a low temperature for a long period of time. With time on our hands, the possibilities are endless. Their broad variety makes beans the main ingredient for many traditional dishes, and also the guest star for top Michelin chefs. Let's see what we can do with cooked beans. We have one recipe that will expand into 3 other recipes. One part will be dedicated to a vegan baked beans recipe, the second for famous chili con carne, and last but not least, a delicious English breakfast. We start with a plant-only based recipe that is a wonderful main course for people embracing a vegan lifestyle, people fasting, or people who enjoy a dish full of proteins, fibers and flavor, a plate of warm baked beans. The basic recipe combines white beans with homegrown borlotti beans. For tips and tricks on how to cook the beans, for the list of ingredients, timings and quantities, please check our website. The link is included in the description below the video. While waiting for the beans to boil, subscribe to our channel for more interesting and useful recipes. As per our grandmother's advice, tarragon and bay leaves are used for seasoning, enhancing the flavor of the beans. Chili con carne, the famous Mexican dish, is a spicy stew prepared with beans, tomato, minced meat, and of course the chili. Quick to make and rich in flavor, this is perfect for cold autumn and winter days. Canned kidney beans were added to acquire the sauce-specific taste. Seasoning with intense dark chocolate, it will spoil your tasting buds. Must be served hot with yogurt or creme fraiche, seconded by a generous portion of basmati rice. The last recipe is the delicious English breakfast beans. It's always good to try something new by cooking your own delicious beans. These beans are so popular in the UK and Ireland that many pubs offer them as an all-day breakfast. Add 2 sausages, 2 bacon strips, 2 fried eggs, cheddar cheese, 2 baked half tomatoes, plenty of pan-fried mushrooms, and 2 toast slices to start your day full of energy. We hope you will enjoy making them as much as we did. Like us and subscribe to our channel.